Distinguished Chief Guest, Ms. Kochar, Dean, Chairman, members of the board, my colleagues, students, families, friends. It's almost like as a season goes by, we are seeing the year draw to a close. And before we declare this year formally closed, I would like to thank all those who have made this year a memorable one for those who are graduating today. First of all, I want to thank God who has brought us together in this to be able to share this moment. And so I just want you to meditate for 5 seconds. First of all, after thanking God, I thank the families and friends of the graduating class. It is most gratifying to see the sense of pride reflected on the faces of all of you. Thank you for the support of our students. You are our most invisible supporter. Thank you. On behalf of the entire ISB community, a huge thank you to our graduation speaker, Ms. Chanda Kochar, for being here today. She has reminded us that things are changing even faster than ever before. She has urged you to find a balance within you to be able to manage this change. So please do take that message to heart. Thank you again for being here, Ms. Kochar. I would request Adi to present a memento to Ms. Kochar. Thank you, Adi. We are extremely grateful to Adi and other members of the board for supporting us, not just today, but for being with us for the last 15 years and standing for 2 hours during this ceremony. So thank you very much. We are immensely grateful to our partner schools, Wharton, Kellogg, and the London Business School for their wholehearted support in this very long journey. We particularly thank the area leaders who not only teach, but the faculty who come here to build the school. Give them a very big hand. Members of our faculty, we don't know how to thank you, both resident and visiting faculty. Thank you for your support and dedication. It's to you that we owe the strength of this program. Year after year, when we ask students why do they come to ISB, they say it's because of the faculty out here. So thank you very much. All of you will be joining the ranks of one of the most important constituencies of the school, the ISB alumni. They are a source of pride and joy for us as they go out and make their mark in the world. But even as they make their career, they have devoted a lot of time, as you know, for placements, for admissions, for road shows, right? I am really grateful, we're all grateful to the ISB Alumni Association for the continued support to this institution. And without your performance, this school wouldn't have been recognized. So thank you very much. We are in the city of Hyderabad thanks to the many people of our city who have been part of ISB through the last 15 years. We are grateful to the IKEA families who opened their heart, their homes and heart to our students. Thank you. A very special word of thanks to the governments of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh for their unrelenting support to the school over the years. Thank you very much. I wish to thank our guests from media. Thank you for being here and thank you for your support for ISB. I'm sure I speak for all of us when I say words are not enough to express our appreciation for the members of ISB Spouses and Families Association. Thank you for all the little children. Some of our who are born here, I'm hoping we'll see them back in 25 years at ISB. The ISB staff is the backbone of the school. It would take me too long to list them. There are a lot of them. They do many things for you. There are people who you see, there are people you don't see. I would like to thank each one of you for your dedication and commitment to ISB. I would also like to extend my gratitude to the various service providers and the support staff at ISB who make our life very easy for us. Thank you. So finally, this time I'll let you go. All your students, this day is about you, okay? Enough of lectures, enough of assignments. Yeah, this is about you, your success, your future. As I have said many times before in my own classrooms, you were a great class. I loved working with you. All of us will echo the same thing. Your attitude, your energy were infectious. Stay engaged. Remember Peter's principles. He has 4 P's wherever you are. And the rest of, just remember the school. We will come and go, but you now are part of the school. You can't forget that, okay? So happy Ugadi, best of luck, and God bless you.